Whoa! Here we are, free fish.
Very nice rough now.
First day of the clash. And we were just sussing some spots out and we thought, we might just flick this back, Eddie.
That is so cool, bro.
Oh.
Fuck, he's got some munter.
Munter?
Just missed one too.
Yeah.
We could be on something here.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. You ready, Gregory?
Yeah, bro.
When you're ready. And in the net.
That's a solid fish.
Yes! You might be tipping 90, bro.
Yeah, you're right, on back deck. Oh!
Yeah. Green as fuck.
You. Fish? You seen it yet or not? Got him, Bryce? Bryce. Bryce. Easily well over the middle. This is what comp fishing is about.
Jane, Gregory. Gregory. Stay, bro. Get him in. Oh.
Easy, Bryce.
Cheer, cheer. Cheer. Oh no. This feels so cool. Get in front of him. Lift his head. Lift his head.
Oh, the fucking horse! Oh, yes! Gregory!
Yeah!
Dude, that's a
what
fuck.
a slapper! You fucking ripper!
Here's my group.
Put the bogies on.
Gregory. Oh, fuck. Bryce! Oh.
That's a donkey. Oh, bro! What is it? What is he? 111. Why didn't we get 112 out of him, bro? Yeah, bro, we'll get $12. Get in front.
Close his mouth properly. Yep.
Just push him. That's it. Yeah, cut.
I have a feeling this has been a deja vu. We've been here before.
Oh! First fish, day 2, 61. Very nice.
Come up the sign if you need to.
Stop. Ready?
Easy, Bryce.
Drink it, yeah.
Gregory, watch that net, it's bent as fuck.
Yeah, get him in. Gregory! Oh! Fuck! Dude, that is
Gregory. Oh, that net was folded, bro.
Oh, God, dude.
Sorry, dude.
We got him, bro. That's all we wanted, man. That's all we wanted. That is the one. Yes! Fuck, yes! 89. Fucking perfect, dude.
A few 89s nowadays, and they're done alright for us.
Yeah. Easy, Bryce. Huh?
Bro,
Yeah.
big fish.
Back right hand.
Yeah.
Keep that angle right.
Oh, bro, still taking on.
Are those boys onto you?
No, you're right. Still going.
Are they under you?
Keep backing off that.
Yo. I think they're onto you, Bryce.
Wait, Mark! Wait, hold up!
You got his fish.
I think you caught!
Bryce's rod went off and then...
Is it? Not bad, bro.
Fuck.
Oh, that's gonna be a hard one. Mine's pinned in him.
Fucking hell.
Ah,
Bryce is there and you're on there.
oh. Fuck. If you want to have a look, man, mine's pinned in the throat.
Yeah. It was like, oh, and then you go, yeah. Fuck.
Look at that, man, just come straight
Straight
out.
out. How's that? Fuck me.
I was getting smoked, man. I was like, holy fuck, and I seen you mob turn around like, yeah. I was like, nah, man, I need to fucking take it.
Same, he's like, fucking, yeah, big, good fish, right?
Nice.
Did you ever hook in his mouth before or not?
He was pinned in here. There, and then on the fin.
Just at him.
Yup.
Where are we, Bryce? I can't see them.
Heading over there, bro. Go forward. Oh! Go back, Tony, go back. Yup. Good. Get that beer out of the way, bro. No, you're up, you're up, you're up. Stay there, stay. Stop, stop, stay there, stay there. Reverse, Shane. Shane, reverse. Yep, yep, yep.
Move, Gregory.
Help him get that one in the net, Shane.
Yeah.
Nice work, Ross. Foul,
Get
hook
over
there. Yep, look out, look out. Reverse leg. That's it. Everyone do it. Zip on. You right now? Stop, stop,
Shane,
stop,
get
stop,
rid of the
stop,
fucking
stop.
GoPro.
Get him in. You fucking river!
That's a horse. Oh.
Good man. Drag him out, drag him out.
Holy shit!
That's a dollar.
That's not a
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Drag him up.
Just a nugget, man.
No, it'd be like 110. 105, bro. What the fuck?
Nice.
Shane, push the tail around, bro. Alright, you go shoot him.
Ross,
Yeah.
walk to the front. Walk to the
all
front. Walk to the front. Where are you? Where are you, Bryce?
Ah!
His lures back out.
Fuck!
down, bro. Come over this way a bit. Yep, that's it. Day 3.
71.
Enough.
Day 3, Calgary Clash 2017. Ricey boy brought us home again today with the 70s, so it's going to be close. The second place needs a 94 to win, to beat us. So we'll find out.